Hey, welcome back. I'm really happy you're here today. If you are listening right now, it means you care about your English. And maybe you also want to express your feelings better in English.
Yeah, that's true. I can understand English, but when I try to speak, especially about feelings, I just stop. I don't know what to say.
Oh, that's very normal. Really. Many people can talk about simple things like food, work, daily routine, but when it comes to emotions, love, care, they feel shy.
Exactly. Like, I can say, I am fine, but I can't say something like, I miss you or I care about you in a natural way.
I get it. And today, we are going to practice that. Slowly, easily, like real life. No pressure. Just simple English and real feelings.
Wow, that sounds nice. I think this will help a lot of people.
Yes. And listen, don't just hear us. You should speak with us. Repeat, pause, try. Even if it feels strange, it's okay.
Yeah, sometimes I feel funny when I speak alone.
Me too sometimes. But that's how we learn. Okay, let's start with a simple situation. Imagine you are talking to someone you like. Not big love, just a soft feeling.
Oh, that's already difficult.
Don't worry. Keep it simple. You can say, I like talking to you. Say it slowly.
I like talking to you.
Good. Again, a little more natural.
I like talking to you.
Nice. See? Simple. No big words.
Yeah. It feels easy when you say it like this.
Exactly. Now, another one. I feel happy when I talk to you. Try it.
I feel happy when I talk to you.
Perfect. Now, imagine you are texting someone.
Okay.
You can write, I was thinking about you today.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
Yes, and very simple English.
Let me try. I was thinking about you today.
Great. You see, you don't need difficult grammar, just clear feeling.
But, Harry, what if I feel shy? Like, my mind says, don't say this. It's too much.
Very honest question. Listen, you don't need to say everything at once. Start small.
Small?
Yes. For example, instead of I love you, you can say I enjoy your company.
Oh, that feels safer.
Exactly. Or I like spending time with you.
I like spending time with you. That's easy.
Good. Now let's do a small role play. Ready?
Okay, a little nervous, but ready.
Don't worry. I'll start. Hey, Alex. I had a long day, but talking to you makes me feel better.
Oh, really? That's sweet. I also feel relaxed when I talk to you.
Nice. Very natural.
I'm trying.
Let's continue. Sometimes I wait for your message.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, I enjoy our conversations.
Me too. I think you are a good person.
Perfect. That's real English. Simple, emotional, natural. Now, listeners, your turn. I'll say a sentence, you repeat. Ready? I miss talking to you. Say it. I miss talking to you. Good. Again. I miss talking to you.
Nice. Next one. You make me smile.
You make me smile.
Again, with feeling.
You make me smile.
Beautiful.
Harry, I feel something now.
What?
Like, I can actually speak emotions in English. Before, I thought it's very difficult.
That's the change. You are not learning grammar. You are learning expression.
Expression. I like that word.
Yes. English is not just words, it's feelings. Let's try a real-life situation. Imagine you are on a phone call.
Okay.
You can say, I just wanted to hear your voice.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Try it.
I just wanted to hear your voice.
Perfect. Another one. Are you free to talk?
Are you free to talk? Good. Now, a little emotional. I feel lonely sometimes.
I feel lonely sometimes.
Very good.
Harry, can I ask something?
Of course.
What if someone laughs at my English?
Good question. Listen carefully. If someone laughs, it says more about them, not you. You are learning. You are trying. That is powerful.
Yeah, I never thought like that.
And remember, even broken English can touch the heart
Wow, that line is strong.
because it's true.
Now, let's learn some useful words. Simple words, but very powerful.
Yes, I like this part.
First word, care. Example, I care about you.
I care about you.
Second, miss. Example, I miss you.
I miss you.
Third, trust. Example, I trust you.
I trust you.
Fourth, happy. Example, you make me happy.
You make me happy. Fifth, feel. Example, I feel good with you.
I feel good with you.
Sixth, smile. Example, you make me smile.
You make me smile.
Seventh, think. Example, I think about you.
I think about you.
Eighth, wait. Example, I wait for your message.
I wait for your message.
Ninth, enjoy. Example, I enjoy your company.
I enjoy your company.
10th, special. Example, you are special to me.
You are special to me.
Amazing!
Harry, I feel more confident now. Like, I can actually talk to someone.
That's the goal. Not perfect English, but real communication. I think people will really love this practice. Yes, and listen. Don't just listen once. Come back, repeat, practice daily. Yeah, daily practice is important.
Even 5 minutes every day can change your English.
Small steps,
big result.
Exactly. Before we go, I want to ask you something.
Okay.
What sentence did you like the most today?
I think you make me smile. It's simple, but strong.
Beautiful choice.
And you?
I enjoy your company. It feels calm and real.
Nice.
Now, listeners, your turn. Think, what sentence did you like? Say it in the comments.
Yes. And don't be shy. Even one simple sentence is enough.
Exactly. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe to 24/7 Talk English.
And come back tomorrow for more simple, real English.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking and keep smiling.
Bye. See you soon.